In this video, we're diving into how to add and pay employees in Xero, and I'll show you the steps quickly and easily so you can streamline your payroll process. If you're new to Xero, this video is for you. Stick around and I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll be able to set up your employees and run payroll like a pro. And don't forget, you can access this software for free using the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Xero account. If you don't already have an account, use the link below for a free trial and some amazing bonuses that'll help you get the most out of your Xero experience. Once logged in, click on the Payroll tab, which you'll find in the main dashboard. This is your starting point to manage all things payroll related in Xero. Now, let's start by adding an employee. In the Payroll section, you'll see an option to Add Employee. Go ahead and click that. You'll need to enter the employee's basic information, like their full name, email, and employee ID if applicable. If your employee works in a specific location or department, make sure to add those details as well. For tax purposes, Xero will also ask for their tax file number or any relevant local tax information, so be sure to have that on hand. Next, Xero gives you the option to add their pay details. This is where you'll define their pay rate, pay schedule, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and any deductions or allowances they might have. If you're setting up salaried employees, you can specify their annual salary, and for hourly workers, you'll set the hourly rate here. Now let's move on to paying your employees. After you've added their information, it's time to process payroll. From the payroll section, click on the Pay Employees option. You'll be prompted to select the pay period you're processing payroll for. Make sure you're on the correct date range to avoid any confusion with payments. Once that's selected, Xero will automatically calculate the pay based on the information you've input. You can review the amounts, check for any deductions, and make any necessary adjustments. Xero also lets you add bonuses, commissions, and other pay components that might be part of the payroll for that period. After everything looks good, click Approve to process the payroll. Xero will give you a final review screen before you hit the Confirm button. Once confirmed, you'll get a summary of the payroll, and payments will be initiated directly from your Xero account. Now, while the process is straightforward, I do want to mention that Xero can also integrate with your bank account for a seamless payment process. This way, you can pay employees directly from Xero, saving you time and effort. If you're running a business with multiple employees, this feature is a huge time saver. Remember, Xero also lets you generate payslips for your employees so they can easily see their earnings and deductions. It's all neatly available within the software, and your employees can access it online, making it very convenient. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get access to Xero for free using the link in the description with some awesome bonuses that will help you navigate the software with ease. If you want to simplify your payroll management, this is a tool worth exploring. So that's how to add and pay employees in Xero quickly. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your employees set up and payroll running smoothly. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial for Xero with our link below, and make sure to take advantage of those bonuses to really boost your workflow. Thanks for watching.